Eileen here from Heartsite. Welcome to another unboxing of the My Therabox. It's been a while since I got it with COVID and all those around. Things are slowed down and things are happening. But now that things are back to normal as much as it's going to be, I was able to get back into it. So, here it is, the My Therabox. I haven't opened it yet, so we are going to see what's in here together. So, I'm going to put it to the side and turn, and the first thing in the box that we get is, it's called the Self-Love Affair. And in this book, in case you've never seen these before, it tells you about everything that's in the box, okay? So that's the first thing. We're going to put that aside over there. Next thing we got was this little message. I will read it to you. It says, "Hello, beautiful soul. We hope you're having a fun unboxing so far. There is a discrepancy in the Self-Love Affair magazine this month, as we are unable to feature the Positively cards valued at $10 due to current global supply chain issues. We have replaced the Positively card with the Willow Collective B paperweight and inspirational card set, which is more than double the value of the original cards. The B paperweight inspirational card set comes with 22 inspirational cards filled with activities and thoughtful prompts for the ultimate self-love adventure. The cards are double-sided with words meant to inspire and remind you of all the beautiful, important things in life. Place this inspirational activity in your workspace to give you the inspiration you need any time of day. With love, Therabox team." Okay? So, now we go here on the side, bend the top back a little bit here. Here we go. And the first thing that we're pulling out is Mirabella Pure Happiness. Supports a positive mood. All natural ingredients for men and women, which is these here, the vitamins. Good thing to have in today's day and age with everything going on. Vitamins will help boost your immunity and everything else. The second thing is the B. And I think these are the cards that they were talking about, because that's what it looks like. So hold on a minute while I open my drawer, because they're held together by tape. So we're just going to gently cut that tape there. And we're going to try to open it, so bear with me. New boxes are always hard. Oh, this is awesome, look. You get the card holder that says B with the cards. And it's one side says open-minded, and I'm just going to show you the back of it with the question on it. That we can do as another activity. So we have that. We're going to put that back in this box here. Like so. We'll put it there for now. And then we're going to come over here. Woo! Clear all this off. And the next thing we see is Balancing NYC. Naturally Nourishing Baby Oil Spray. Which is right here. And they show you the bottle right here. That's what it looks like. So it looks like a lot of good things in it this month. And the other one is Minimal Majestic hair growth serum. And that's this box here. And I will open it if it's not taped, because when it's taped, it's harder to open. I can get it without getting a paper cut on my finger and show you what it looks like. And that is the hair serum right there. That's the back side of it, and that's the front. As always, my Therabox normally has a lot of good products in here. And this one here is a Sugar Lip Scrub Prime from Mirabella. Never heard of a lip scrub. And if I can open it, I will show you the lip scrub so you can see what each product looks like. Now the boxes they're put in are always put together nice and tight, so it's hard. Looks like lipstick. That's what it looks like. To me it looks like a lipstick. Which it basically is, but it's a scrub. It has no scent to it. And it's got like the clear top. So, I get you apply it to your lips. Like that. And it just smooths them out because it's a lip scrub. Not a lipstick, it's a lip scrub. It's a sugar lip scrub for your lips to make them smooth and get any chappiness out, you know, like a body scrub. Okay, so now we're going to dig even more. And now we come to the HA2 plus PUL. Hypodermic Ad plus Polykin. It's a tightening and resplendent eye mask. It's a 2-eye mask. Let me put my scissors away here. And then we come to, oh, this is cute. A purse hanger for the females with purses. You could also use it for a robe or whatever in your house if you don't have a purse. And then we have the NCLA So Rich. It's got tiny writing on it, guys, so I can't read what it is. I would have to look in a book. Oh, it's roses, whatever it is. I will read in the book and find out what it is and get back if you want it. And we're going to check the box, make sure we got everything. And that is it for this month's My Therabox. So a lot of good stuff. We're going to put them back in right now. Because we're not going to open them right away. There we go. And I hope you enjoy these My Therabox openings. It is a self-love box. They are an awesome box to have to help you keep your body at its best. So, I'm hoping you're enjoying them. And until I see you again, I love you. Bye.